Eh?
Wake up. I want to go on there, so.
What are you doing with my phone?
Who this here talk about I love you? Hope I see you today again.
I'm a friend and named Tugger. I use my phone text one girl.
Where girl name?
Lisa, but I know my woman.
How for woman?
A Tugger woman.
So I took a phone this now?
No.
You know who for phone this?
Tugger phone mash up, so I use the female phone text feed him girl for female phone.
You know you're one little liar. I don't believe nothing what you say. Because your friend have your phone after 3 last night. If you send message. And you come here after 5. And you say you're at a party. So your friend did in a party, I use the phone text.
It's 2 hours they said place.
So in a party you send a message.
In a party.
And suppose when me ask Tugger say I know him.
He must say him. He not go say I know him. I him. Ask him.
So you try to say he not go say I know him. Can I say him?
Alright.
So I pick him up, pick up for you.
Pick up for me? For?
Because of him.
You know me not doing something there. Yo.
You cheat on me back then, you will do it now. But furthermore, I rest my case. Anything I did to that, I did.
Yo, Tugger.
Yo.
Bro, you don't know, so my woman going on my phone and find my next girl number and going and chat and find out so I text.
See, man, man.
Bro, me I say my woman, my personal woman going on my phone and find out so you me a listen.
Tell the dance with my dog, have a thing like, bro. Change your password every night.
Bro, listen to me now. I tell her, say, yo, are you a taxi girl? So you see if she call her.
Me?
No, me. I want to hear, brother. Just work with the flow now, bro. If she call her, tell her, say, you a taxi girl. And if she asks you last text, what you said, I love you. Hope I see you soon. Don't let me down, you know, bro.
Yeah, man.
Alright, bro.
Yeah.
Think for me, I eat that thing. Hello.
Hello.
So you go like you know answer phone so.
Me asleep, man.
Oh, well what happened?
Me there, what happen now?
Me there here, you good?
Yeah, what?
Nothing, me can't check by you.
For what reason? Me not like them and check up on it now. What happened?
Nothing really happened. You good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, you know tell me say you have a new moms.
So, how that could have concern you know?
Because I use my man phone and text the moms.
You say me I use your man phone. Me not use your phone.
You know I use my phone.
How that involve you?
You could have said to me, say, Mama, me I use your man phone and text us a little woman.
What your man fi tell you that say me I using phone and me fi tell you that?
Me in my sleep, wake up, I hear ping, 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 ping. Woman, I got text about I love you and hope I, what? Why last me she just sent to the girl?
Me tell her say me love her and
You gonna say you love her, can you just hear me say that? Why next last? Why the last message you send? Hope you see her today. How you write that?
Yeah, you know how people, yeah. And me I text a girl. If you have a problem, me just take it out and phone.
Alright, stop text her. Pan him phone. And find the next phone and text her.
So
How long you call you?
I know that's it.
That's the way time I call you to answer your phone.
Come to tell us something.
Mm-hmm.
You can't text me them the time of night that you know me living with me. Oh man, don't do that. You know, say you nearly put me life in a danger. You know, my woman search my phone and go in there, you know, and see me in a conversation, you know. Don't do them something there, brother.
And all the day I talk about woman and one little girl that. Hmm? Which woman? What woman? Every day you tell me say you want a big woman, then oh, so no me a woman, no me a big woman. Hmm? That look like woman? No pitney that you there with.
That not say, at least me there with somebody. I'm a respect her and appreciate her in my life.
I tell you say me I go be your woman. Me. Whether you like it or not, is me.
You can't say that, man. Me have to say that off of my own mind, my own decision. You cannot say that. I me choose myself, you know. You can't text me them the time, my brother.
So where you give bun for then?
Me tell her
No me
say,
ask you.
me tell her say if me don't text you, you know, if you text me do it texting first.
So where you give bun for then? Where you give bun?
Cause bun nice.
If you respect her and love her so much, where you want me for? Where me for?
Bun nice and spicy.
Oh, so you do this for fun? This is fun.
Here, let me ask you something.
Mm.
When me did I look you and I tell her say me I'm a woman, you never agree with it.
I agree with it. But when you get the package, when you see the package, I one. You see when you get the package, is two. So I'ma get the package and everything feel good, look good, sound good, smell good, everything about it is all good. So me want to stick to the package.
And you agree with it from starting.
So you hear me say a while ago do.
And I like say me not tell her say me not have my woman, you know. Me have my woman and you know that too, cause me tell her from start.
Me keep on telling you. I know woman you there with a pitney.
Well, anything I say, me didn't have it, me didn't want out so too long, you know. Me I can't rush go back over. So, me will see you later.
Go on man, you go on. Face fever. But your woman. A pitney you there with me and you. Me I forget your for her.
Hey, my brother.
Oh,
You good?
Oh,
You alright? Are you me I look for, you know?
Yeah.
Hey, are you me I walk come look for? You know how much me love you,
Funny,
brother.
Cause when you look for me, it's like you get scared. Like, but serious still.
Me not beat you up no more. You get
Yes.
too big for me to beat you up no, man. So you're not afraid of me.
So what going? Everything good down here.
Everything good down the yard, but come for check you for a little help, brother.
No, there's a boat, you know. And you know say some boat in a gone. But
you,
tell me what happened now.
you know how much you love me already. You look for see if I can borrow a smalls from you.
Yeah.
You know, some good faith, man.
Before me say nothing upon that, you know, you know say you borrow 20,000 first from the light bill. Second, you come to me say you want to go party and you have to pay for one hotel room or whatever. You borrow 15,000. Then now you come back again, you see your fridge mash up lightning, lick your fridge. You want 45,000. I'm give it. She owe me 3 times. And I know me no see you check me.
Oh God, brother, man, you make you sound bad,
I
so.
know me no see you check me.
Me check you all the time in a phone. Check your phone. Check your phone, my
Alright,
brother,
well,
and
you
see if
send
me
the
not
money.
always
You
afford
send
you.
them the money there.
You see that me? Alright. Since you
If you did send him would have seen in my account.
No, me not see me send it. Me say me phone you.
But
Alright, brother. Alright. Me I gotta tell you the truth. You see the first money you did lend me? Me did kinda deal with somebody with something and it never really work out.
so you tell me lie then say you don't do that and then you're gonna do different.
No, come me no say. Me know how you turn, you know. And me know say if me did tell you straight, you know. And then hackling me, I forgot get on the talking. You couldn't bother with the talking, man. Me did things as a sure thing. And you see the second 20,000, the piece of money you did lend me. I'm not gonna lie. Me use that one pay bills and things, you know, flow and everything. I can pay them that. And then the last one, did it kind of get a? Did kind of
Listen
get?
me, sis, listen me. You see the borrowing thing is not a good habit. It is not a good habit. So me I beg you, please do not follow up the borrowing thing. The borrow no good.
This is gonna be the last time, my brother.
You know good because me your brother you know, say me a day no you know. But you can go anywhere go borrow things from people and then give bad money. Borrowing things is not a good. Then give and things say, alright, they might give me that will in hard. You know, so they might mess you up.
That's true.
They might mess you up at the same time.
That's true. That's why I always come to you, my brother. When I got to nobody else.
Yes.
I mean, no say,
So,
you know,
whatever. How much money I want?
Me just nothing big, you know, brother. Me no want nothing big.
I have no big money, no, because me buy the garage, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So, I have no big
That's why
limit.
I rob you, brother. It's just a 70,000 I want.
Huh?
Just 70,000.
How do you suppose it was nice?
What?
Let me see.
No, man, I just said, you know, you have it like that, you know, brother.
What?
No, man, that's why I said me now rob you, brother. Just 70,000 I want this time. And then the borrowing thing done, you know.
You're going too bad.
Oh, me, I go on, but me never ask you a
Me
million.
just
You go on like
listen,
to come to you for 1.2 million.
Just tell us, say, me buy the garage. And you want to buy 70,000 from me?
Me never said a full 100, eh? Me just ask for what me need. Me not ask for what I want.
Me only have 30,000 from me.
Alright, give me that then now. Let me check it for the rest.
You figure out the rest after. Figure out the rest.
Thank you, my
Figure
brother.
out the rest.
Thank you.
30.
Alright.
So you know the woman. So we soon check it out, yeah?
We soon check it out,
yeah,
man.
but me I send you a bill though. Me go send you the bill.
What kind of bill that?
Me go send you a bill, man. How much you owe me now?
No, man, all me owe you is love. Me love you, my brother. Me love you. Thank you. Me I go check you later for the other 40. Thank you, because I know say you never have
when
it
me
high
check up everything, send you how much you owe me. How much money you have give me. But
you see this? You see the way you give
because
me there now?
Because the money you know, interest start grow.
No, man, you can't do that.
Interest grow.
Remember, send me change your pampers, you know. Remember, say me see you before you see you and me have your secrets, you know, brother. So, and you love me, you know, brother.
Remember, you know, all you are getting, you get older.
You not get younger.
Me get older too.
Ah.
But you get older than me.
Mm-hmm.
So you must know if you want to deal with me good now, who go take care of you when the time they come.
That's why me love you now. I love you always. Me love you when you're little bit and you couldn't walk. Me love you when you know you have sense. And now you're full of sense. And now me love you. So you see this? Put this in the tally. And then you see when you phone me later, tell me when me for come get the other 40. When me have to run there now, brother. I love you. Thank you. Me soon check you.
No, when me go to you have to find me. Me move go Whitehall, me come at Tankill now, you still there me yard. If minute you want to if you borrow. Tell you.
Charlie,
Hey.
what's up?
You alright?
Yeah, you?
Give thanks. Give thanks.
Where they going now?
Why me walk and look and me just come from my brothers.
Oh, okay. Right, where you look on to? You know, sexy and hey, and keep it up, man. You look damn good.
Thank you. And you know, so all the while, me I wonder what young boy would feel like.
Let me be alright, boy, man.
Me love how you maga, but me hear some maga man strong.
Of course. I'm alright, man. Yes, what's like how me single too. I'm lonely. Me alright, man.
Okay. How that me looking up? Want somebody young? Want feel how it feel like to be with somebody younger? Want be a cougar? And money, I don't know problem, you know. I have money like that.
Yeah, money.
You have money like that, money, I don't know problem, you know. Cause me know how you young man tan. Me just want to know how me can get the young man for work the body and things.
Like a God send you, man.
Ah.
So, like how you have money, you can buy me something.
Hey, what you want, son?
I'm gonna drink one jug and some peanut for chewing night and drink it.
Oh, young and you know the things, so that me love you know, strong up your back for me, you know.
Yeah, man.
I me don't want no weak man, you know. Me don't want no weak man, so me love how you strong up your back. Yeah man, guineas and peanuts and no problem. Come here sweat just thinking about it.
I but just still I go tell us say like you're full of oil, how you sweat so?
Me just a think about it, you know. And you a make me hot, you know. And you a make me hot, man. Oh God, the body react to the mind.
Yes, I'm get the things in my shop.
Yeah man, come back forward. Alright, as long as it's strong up your back for me.
B, what go on?
Never signal go, now where you come from?
You're not Tugger. You check Tugger, you know?
So you not care me?
What you mean about when me not care? I know if me I go you're supposed if you come be.
Every time you go you care me, I want that one time, yeah.
No really there, man. So me can't let you at one time man.
So, you talk you go check?
Yeah.
So I go on, you good?
Yeah man.
Oh.
That done there easy back, you know.
Talk you go check.
Then I want to go check.
Talk you go check, alright. I just want to say talk you go check. Anyways, I go out the front. So come.
Yeah.
Talk you go check, alright. I talk you check. Well gone, friend.
There, man, I'm going again.
Nothing really I'm going again. Me just call if you ask if you see TB.
Yeah, I'm seeing.
Oh, so what kind of clothes in Dina? Cause me I wonder if he change when you come down. So what kind of clothes you see me now last time you see him?
Eh?
What kind of clothes you see me now?
You know, hold on. I punch. You know, hear a phone up the trouble. I'll call her back.
Hello?
Me go call her back.
So you tell me
It's a break up.
break what? Hang up.
How old is you?
Yo.
What go on, bro?
Yo, you hear me?
Yeah, bro.
Your woman just a call. What kind of problem money in bro?
My woman
call me and say, if you come check me and say, now what kind of clothes are you?
One blue.
Talk fast.
One dark blue shirt, bro. I want flower shorts and big shorts.
Alright.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
No, we can't. Oh. Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah.
Me there say phone a break up. You hear me good now?
Me I hear you good man.
Where there say again?
Me I ask you say what kind of clothes you see TB now when you see him?
Oh, indeed now one dark blue shirt and one flower shorts. I feel think that man what happened?
I hear you. Nothing really happen. Train left here and not care me. But that
Man
wonder.
not be cry every time he ma come check me.
Well, me want to think I mean used to do it. When you start something, you cannot finish it so easy. You know my fault thing brought me so bad, but anyways later.
Alright.
See your phone a vibrate.
No.
Oh, let me see it. 13 minutes ago. So this one girl that takes 13 minutes ago and you see a Tugger woman.
Me don't know.
No. And you reply 13 minutes ago so she texts back then now.
I'm tell you the truth, B. Me not go around here and come around no corner. I tell you the truth.
Why truth?
And me a text the girl for Tugger. Tugger cannot read. And he can't write and spell. So and me a text the girl. Tugger only call the girl.
Me have Tugger number. What do you mean by Tugger can't read?
You know see what you when Tugger there work and me tell us if link him for me advice him.
That not say you can't read. People send voice not we can read.
Oh.
Like yeah, go around me, you know. Every day is something.
Me not why me would have go around. Let me tell us me at least me tell you the truth, you know.
At least you tell me the truth. Like how it dissed me last night. Oh, food salt.
I truth that man then I truth.
Why truth? Why truth? Tell me now why truth.
The phone when me I tell about the girl that pinned on the phone. A Tugger woman and me I text the girl for Tugger.
Tugger handicap.
Tugger cannot read.
Oh, I can't
I
read.
be a voice note them man they said
I
I
was
call.
supposed to text him and he text him back in a sentence and none of them no spell wrong.
No, y'all get be a foolish. Or you go ask somebody say yo what I heard ya and you go ask somebody how to spell.
You feel like too much excuse. Me really and truly tired for hear them.
And the food they cook last time, I never like it cause from morning wake up. Come like me can't have nothing more, just throw off my appetite.
So have an appetite, oh.
The food salt and it tastes bad and I'm good.
You know tell me last night say fresh. So you tell me today say salt.
It's salt man, it's salt.
So what you tell me last night say?
Me I go up on the regular look at drinks. Cause me can't me
God, I'm not sure if you see me when you come back though.
So where you go?
Me too. Me have a house.
I know that, make sure say you're in your house. Left your house, Yo, I pray, bro.
How you doing?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
Yeah, so me I will check my sister cause she borrow money from me and me want that money. Cause me buy their garage, you just see I want me I walk come on. I buy their garage.
No pressure your sister, bro. Make your
No. This I make it 4 times. The first time she borrow 20, second 15, the third 45, and now she want 70,000 and me get her 30.
No, with that, bro. Your sister,
No.
nothing, bro. Nah, I'm all free that.
No, no, me want to talk to all you two. Because me no like how you get me involved in your lying spree. Me no like it. Yeah, your woman a cat. Oh, wait, what you telling you know? What is it? Me no like it, bro. And me no want to tell no lie. We then go look at me and weird. So, oh, so God, this boy, there's a pick up fever in front of life. Me no like that, man.
Bro, that's just something to you.
Boy can't just be honest, tell her the truth, tell her say I have a girl. Nothing beat the truth, you know.
You ever see nobody
Nothing
get
beats the
up?
truth.
You ever see nobody get up one day and a lie?
Me get up a day and no lie.
Nobody never stop for a lie, bro. All when they dead and gone, people still alive, bro.
People can change.
How?
People can change. If me know say, if you use the shit that's up, and me tell her say, the bathroom run up front, stop shit that's say, you go change and stop the shit that's say, you go bathroom now.
Bro, everybody tell lie. And me even trust that the girl, bro. And that's why I have a next girl for her.
What reason she give you for that?
I like how she a move, bro. She a move some type of way, bro. But me not trust her, bro.
Well, me can't say nothing upon that. But if you tell lie, you have to put me up on my yard.
That's
Because even what day, she call me. TV just come check you and me say, yeah man, he just come text me. She asked me a different question. What clothes in here? I have to say, signal, and hang up and call you.
Bro, just no code.
You have to
like
put me up on my yard. Make me know where I go on, bro. You see me? I just that way I want to talk to you. I want to check my sister before staring up. Because the one she understands it. This time, we need back my money. We need it back. You understand? Because it will go over 100,000.
Too much.
Then if you check 20 and 15, how much?
35.
Exactly. And 15,000. 35 and 15. Yeah, maths brain. You know me not even maths thing.
50 that, bro.
50,000. Me no go to school and me no say that. Me no say that anyway still. At that me want to check her right away. Where you go?
I know say me I go over back over me and you me did say me I come check.
Go over back, cause me know say she go call me soon. Just make sure you go over.
Ah, bro.
Yeah. Tell her the truth and done. You know see why you're not cheating.
How are you on the road?
But you are the funny road.
As much as you're a big woman, right? Every time you always up on the road, if you know they up there, so you don't down there, so what you do?
Now, me I walk and look for my man. Back then, me used to walk and look for my friend them, but the friend them when me did have check for the man when me did have before. So now, me have that new man here, me not keep no friend with that new man here. So, me I look for my man cause me cook some food last night and he said food salt. So, he said that I'll go buy one juice. In the morning, yeah.
You walk and look for man?
No, my man.
You idiot?
You fool?
When me there with your mama, you think your mama walk look for me? And I was a bunner man.
You never were looking for?
Your mama cry for me day and night.
I feel yeah, what I'm now yes.
But the teacher want listen to me. You see, no matter how you walk and look for me, bun going murder you.
So yeah, so just.
You are trying to show you say, if a bun you run from, don't walk look for it. And so when your eye no see, your heart no leave.
Me I look for me man, or me I look for bun, and me man now give me no bun. Me man liar, you know. I just need friend them when I have a use.
Repeat the word you just said a while ago.
My man liar.
Repeat the last word.
I just a friend them when I have.
No, repeat the last word you just said.
Liar,
Yeah, repeat it 3 times.
liar, liar, liar.
You hear what you say? Liar, liar, liar.
No, don't come to know this say. Liar.
No, you never say
Liar.
liar. You never say lawyer a while ago. It's a lawyer, lawyer. That's what you say. That's why I say repeat the word.
Daddy, what?
It touches.
Let me ask you something. If me I walk and look for bun, right? What that have to do with you? Me not big man. Me can manage my bun, me can manage my own stress and
The
problem.
last time man born you, know, the whole of me yard full of water, you know. You
No,
know,
that I did with my best friend.
and you
I mean, never
roll.
found so.
Me plant and me pepper them, and you roll in there. No, me could have look pepper myself. You mash them up. Me have to start over back from scratch. Eh? You mash up the mirror with your phone. That's a pop club white to come for them. Whoop it. You idiot.
And you're a fool because you have me. I'm going to tell you the second time. If me an idiot, you're a fool.
Look there now. Look for your mother now. I said him go foreign, you know. Right? I give her my last to go foreign. And God so good. She got married there in the back without me know. Right? And God so good. Make Donald Trump pull and pan her. You know when Donald Trump then call me and say, is your wife, is your woman married legally? We said, no sir, she run off over there. Lock up everybody.
Daddy,
Because my sister
you look like a long time. I could brighter say, see me man?
Look at me, look like a man choke.
No, but you look like a man idiot.
Like a man idiot. You know what?
Oh, yeah, go see. Don't bother with that, man.
No, man, that's something to forget. Me never realized say you was something to forget.
You forget the money down here.
You good, brother?
Me there, me I say if you forget the money down here.
No, somewhere me did I go and me forget something. Me forget some paperwork. You never see me come up and that me I consider, you know.
Yeah.
I consider. It's just what we never even see, my brother.
Me ask you again, you forget the money down here.
Me not the money down in my yard.
So do me see me here.
No. You know, sister, as me I come up, me I consider. And me remember the paperwork and I submit me turn back. You think see me the turn back from you?
Okay.
I mean the turn back from you.
Anyway,
brother.
still the money you don't here me there come, me just check the shortcut come through. Money me come from.
Well, me see if I'm coming down the house, you know, can look on the hill, oh God. That the hill for turn back and walk back up, oh God, my brother, it would a hard feel.
Yeah, man.
So, you have to go check me tomorrow, here. Me never know, so me gonna go see you.
Sister,
If me didn't know, so me didn't go see you.
Sister, please don't. We say a while ago. I
never
3
know.
days now, you know.
Me never know me I go see you, my brother. He did it, me never know.
And you
me I go
tell
see
me,
you.
say, check you. Me text you and say, you're ready for me now. You say, check me, man, brother.
And that me say check me, but me never know. Me can't walk with that kind of money on the road, brother. You want man mug me? Alright. Me have to go now. Check me, brother. Check me. You don't know see me good feet already, man. May I link you? You know me good feet,
So
man.
yeah, you have enough say if you got something.
Me no bother need it again. Me no bother need it again. She check me later.
So woman you want thing I'll do. You can't believe that my sister this. As they break me I check her now. Cause me need my money.
Good evening.
Evening, where you come from?
Road.
Which part of road?
Where you are come from?
We go check Toga.
Oh, well, which part of God is there?
Up and yard.
Me I come from up there and you never did up there. The door well locked up. Like nobody not even in there.
So how you feel go check my friend them without me?
And then your friend me go check me and walk and look for you.
Yo, me not like so style now. That's why me can't trust say no. You know do. Where you gone up on my friend you gone?
Where you come from?
Me tell her something go check my friend.
Oh, me go check you, but you never up there.
Yo, that's not you. Me not like that style, brother. That's why me can't trust say you there.
Oh, well, me not like your style because you too lie.
Yo, me can go left front and this time I have to take something liquor down today.
Oh, so when you leave, me leave too because me no know off and you not come time me don't know at all.
No, you're not chatting with me.
Come like you start smell your ham. You know, answer your phone.
No, I ain't ring up it.
You run from running stuff you can't hang you.
Yeah, cause it's somebody we are calling important.
Oh, let me see a walk call.
What?
If you did that, can't hang you, when you just make it ring out and done.
Cause me did a look at work, cause me never sure what call you or know
I
what.
will call you, okay?
Let's not worry about that. Yeah,
No! Pull the phone and call back slow. Put it on speaker, put it on speaker. Hello? Hello? Where's?
Lad,
How good that? Call back is somebody. Come, speak it.
Look how long you say you can't look for me. What happened?
talk on there, here, talk on there.
So you say the person we are calling important.
You talk a woman how him fi import, how she fi important.
No! Two different things you tell me now, just make sure you say person important, you don't know the person. No, you gotta tell me say I
So you know say every time try you know say in your place. Every time you come on in a problem. Yo, you know say no one left your place.
Me not in no problem, but me can't put a roof over your head and you walk come give me bun morning, noon and night.
Yo, me can't take them a lifestyle and them a live it.
So where you go?
Me a leave a place, brother.
But me not put it out, me just don't know who you talk to.
You can't do them like something to be every time. Bro, you...
Put on the bag, man, can you know you don't want to leave. Yeah, put on the bag them. So fix them up. Anyway, me not like, oh yeah, move shaky from what here, you see? Me don't want you leave, you know, because you know me love you. But me just want you to be honest with me. If somebody else did, just time so somebody else did not tell me like about Toga
Oh,
woman.
fi did they be? Me not tell us say a Toga woman call, you know, you me tell him say Toga that did that him up. That right now Toga go get himself on phone, because he can't bother with them.
Toga have a phone, because when me call him, he answer.
I'm borrowing people phone.
No one hear me ask it.
Oh. Me the back room, bro.
Here, business.
Hi, Shaman.
Hey,
What's up?
you alright?
Yeah, man, you alright?
Yeah, man. You give thanks.
You glad me see you know? I can't leave that one if you are that. Come like a God send me in time.
We did about to touch the road.
Tell you the truth still, it's a money me come to look for you to do with some things.
Like how what, so?
Probably about 25.
Yeah, man. You know why? Because you deal with me good last night, you know. Hey! I some tonic. Me I go road forget, you know. For later. And me say you're strong. And you keep your word.
Yeah, man, that with me. Always strong, you know. Always perform good when me touch stage.
Adapt me love. Adapt me love. So my father always teach me say encouragement, sweet and labor. So stay right here. Give me time. Come I want it. So me I go to the ATM and come check you.
Alright.
Alright, don't move. Alright, yeah.
Gonna come like this. Nah, don't. Whoa.
Wait! What? What? Oi! Oi!
Your friend, me and sis.
I saw you easy for frightened.
Sure.
Big man.
Well, me glad to see you though.
Me glad to see you too.
Glad to see you.
I'm glad to see you.
Right now, me can't go supposed to go to my bike. Come.
No, me glad to see you. Me glad to see you. Me glad to see you.
Mm-hmm.
I have something to tell you.
Every time you come to me, you have a story. Why you have a story?
You never used to complain when me used to tell you a story when you're little.
Story, sis, me can't take it, man.
So wrong with my story then,
Every time me lend you my money, me can't get it back.
A lie they tell.
Me can't get it
A
back.
lie you tell. When you lend me the
No.
5 grand 10 years ago, me pay you back.
No.
Me pay you
All
back.
that, me glad you remember it.
No, me
never
pay you back.
You never
Me pay you
me.
back. No, you're going
You
bad
never
now, like
pay
something
me.
that happened. Stop it, man. Stop
You
it,
never
man.
pay me. You just want to come borrow from where
Like
you
something
have.
I do for you too. Like something I do for you too. Wait, who raised you? Who raised you? Huh? Who beard you?
Listen me.
Who beard you?
Me never
Who
tell
raised you?
Me never tell mommy figure out with me. Probably you the one come out, but me never want come out.
You wanted
Right?
to come badly enough to be 5 million
No.
other sperm to come here, so. And I'm me raised
Me
you.
never go bother her, she come bother me. So I'm mommy if you cuss about who put on my
Next
pampers,
thing, man.
right?
Next thing.
What do you mean
Me have-
next thing?
Brother, easy man, me know say you love me. It just means rather you love me. Listen, man. Right. Me have the thing, you know. As much as you complain,
Wait, you have it by your...
me have it.
So give me
No, but me did go out yesterday. When you see me yesterday, me did go up on a mission. And the mission never worked. So me have to go down to the ATM now. But you see the ATM in town? That one now work.
Oh, no.
It now works. So me have to go clear a soft one. Cause only Scotia me can use.
Oh.
But the money depend the money depend on the machine. So here what?
Money depend on the machine.
It depend on the machine, but me need to go to the ATM. I mean, kind of need a little help too. Well, I'm not done.
Since it's on the ATM, we can wait till tomorrow.
No, I want to give it to you today because, like you say, you're waiting a long time. So, I kind of need, I'm going to need to go down and I'm going to need to come back up. I just need a little $10,000 right now. If you give me the $10,000.
Sis, you can't be so serious. $10,000?
I clear myself, me I forgot. And me, you know what? So me want to give you the money. Me want to give you the money. So me I forgot charter.
You want
a charter car. Me I forgot charter car.
$800 for charge them one taxi.
From where? From where?
From
you not do it. No, not charter. No. Me have to go down there, and then me have to go come back, and then me have to go stop at yours, and me have to go. A whole heap of run up and down. Me have to go there. I just me no want pressure your head, you know.
She said, don't pressure me already.
So how you not pressure
me? You over pressure me. You pressure every minute. You need to come and ask me alright. Oh, you do. Oh, you just. Me have this
The first thing me say I walk on if you're alright. Stop tell like
man.
me, man.
Right now, my skin and catch me ears, so I'm not getting my money.
Because you
My
complain
skin
to
just starts
and you are start the money, you know, you should give me the $10,000 already, made a deck on the road.
Me say, I will wait till tomorrow.
But you wait till tomorrow for and you come pressure me and then next thing you know tomorrow you're gonna tell me say how I'm gonna pay you back for so long. I'm gonna pay you back today.
Since you say it will cost $10,000 to go 7 come back. Cause the first me I hear that first me I hear this. Been made up on the world for 20 years now. First me I hear say 10,000. Yes, sure,
As I'm running up and down me, I do a trim and I want pressure your head. You want me to list off everything I have to do?
Wait.
You want me to list off everything I have to do?
One more you going.
Me have so much things to do, you
So
don't understand, including women things that you don't want to know about. Me I go give you back a 30 grand you give me, you know, and me I go give you back your 30 grand, and then you give me the 10 grand today, and me I go give you that 10 grand on top of it, and me I go sweeten the pot of encouragement, sweeten the man, you go like, so me I go teeth you, man, just give me the money, whether me not say you have it like
so
that,
I'm to the money them when they back file up.
You see, the longer time you take to hold me up, and the less the money I go cut down. So the quicker you give me the money, is the quicker me can go.
This card is the only money I have on this card. Only $10,000. You hear me? You don't know how you go reach a machine now.
Me work it out.
This card only use a Texaco gas station. This is not like the other card. They go down text you, go right down there, so walk go down there. I use it down there. This no use of the regular machine them. Only Texaco. $10,000. Alright.
Thank you.
Thank
you, my brother.
Me I beg you. Carry back my money come give me.
Today.
And carry back me card come
Today,
give me. And remember, say me tell me now, let you no more money till me get every single dime.
You're right.
Where you owe me.
You're right.
Right?
You're right.
Alright.
Alright.
Cause me now, much as how you have my sister, me now make no family come break me down.
No, man. Can't do that.
Me now make you come broke me down.
Can't do that.
Alright,
Can't do that. But brother, see like how it's rain, just give me the $200 fee and me go get the. If the quicker me go with just 200, you know, see the rain. Alright.
You say she really want broke me down. She really look for me. And for me tell her to walk.
So. Hey babe, you good?
Yeah, you
Yeah man. We have good news and bad news.
tell me a good one.
Alright. The good one is you get through.
Tell me a bad one.
The bad one is we never get it in a cash.
Mm.
The person me got link, the ATM person me got link, and come in with a bag of story, but he give me the card. So you have to go walk a little bit further and go to the ATM and draw it out.
That good man, no problem man. I still at least me I get through say. So me can get the 25 off it.
Well, in my styles, you know, can you tell me say a 10 upon it. But me know him like that, so more upon it. So take what you want from it, but don't drain it. But take what you want from it and make sure me get the card back tonight.
But you don't give me a code.
Our walls have ears.
Alright. So me I deal with it now, cause me I fit what me I deal with, me I fit do it fast and done.
Alright. Make sure you come back, you know.
Alright.
Alright. Who that?
I'm here. Can I come?
Come. What the?
Mommy, what go on, mommy? You miss me, Lord Jesus, man, mommy, you miss me.
What breeze bring you here, so?
Mommy, I move back down.
Move back?
Yeah.
But you never even phone me. You never even let me know you come.
Me not have phone, daddy mash up my phone.
What you do to make your father mash up your phone, if that is true?
No, I just want 19 come in, him and the woman, them man, him and the woman, them a fight and the phone mash up.
Me know you have friends that have phone, and your father have phone. You really couldn't phone me and
But me don't need the phone, and me come and then you can me miss you.
you never miss me all this time.
Yes,
and I know
mommy.
you miss me, and today you come and miss me. What you really doing down here?
Mommy, how much time if you tell us I miss Mrs. and I come back down? Me not like why I go up daddy. Daddy,
Why
I carry so much different woman. And I joke them beside me on the bed, I don't like that.
Well, you...
Yes, and you never carry no man come joke beside me, so I say better I can't live with you. And that's a real reason.
Alright, you must know. You know, your room is exactly as you leave it. So
you're not happy to see me?
yeah, now, of course, I'm happy to see you, my child.
So
But
you don't look happy?
Sure, you just kind of wake me up and it's a surprise thing. You take me off guard, though, baby. You take me off guard.
Well, mommy, we're back in the building to stay.
I mean, I hear from you from this long time and you just turn up and me know you're telling a Kayla.
All the time.
If you say you come back, behave yourself, you know. Behave yourself. That's why I send you go your father. Cause bare trouble you get down here.
Mom, me not giving any trouble. Me broke out of them ways there now. Remember say you raise me? Remember say you raise me?
Alright.
Any dirty ways that me have, you me get them from.
Ha! And that kind of foolishness me not like, you know, when I send you your father. Alright. Go your room. Your room is exactly how you leave it. It's like you reach safe and thing, but
it must happy to see me because I'm there here to stay.
me happy to see you, yes. But me will find out the truth. You think me an idiot about love and miss me. Morning. So early?
Yeah, shop just open. Around 10 minutes away from the shop.
That's all this then. Every day, as daylight out, you come in here so to me, you see? And they say to me, say, you want to go and shop. So many people have not even opened their business space. What is the problem? Why you want to go on the road as daylight? You're not going to shop with me. When me I talk, do not talk. I never finish shop. You know, me and Betty not spread your leg. The plate no wash, you know, take a draw a broom from mine. Where you say go chocolate?
Chocolate mix.
Chocolate mix.
And a bit of sugar.
You spread a bit. So, where you chocolate mix them there when you buy a supermarket the other day? They finish already? Careful, you know, how you do it.
No, you put it
You see it nice? You see how good looking? I have a shape that make it worse. As you walk on the road, so your man then start looking at you. And the other day, I did talk to you about something to you. But through you around your friend, I don't want you to say me and disgrace you on the road. You know me stay already, you know me not care. I don't say anything anyway, but sometimes certain things never hold it up. Listen to this. And when you listen to me keenly and don't tell me no lie. Don't tell me no lie. If you know you're going to tell me lie, nobody answer. Maybe understand when you don't answer what that means. Whether yes or no. Looking at my eye. You are virgin? Don't shake it off on me and
Yes,
size. Me and you? I know what. Eh? Okay, me and my size. I don't care what you want. Say you get bright through because you will get big now. You know understand say me is the mother. Eh?
Not virgin. I'm telling you, I don't want to talk about it.
You don't want to talk about it?
Every morning you ask me one question. I want.
Because you are suspicious from the other day. I don't understand you. Anyway, you see woman who they done this our name? Mary. You hear how our daughter named Stinker Road? Okay. I mean they beg you do in the name of Jesus.
Be careful of what you do with yourself and your life and your future. You hear what me say? Okay.
You can't go chat now?
No, not yet. Me don't know you're in a heat, so you know.
But me don't want you.
Like you want heat that they take over your body
I
every
want
time
to
as
see
daylight
the
feel.
definition of not them by.
Huh?
I don't want them by. I want them.
And you sure say if you go down there, they want something where you left on the shelf and you did go there, still there. They wait for you to come by. Easy attack. Anyway, I always pray for you. And they ask God for guidance and protection. Because you know young and realize that when time the adult them tell you about prayer, you know act like I say a foolishness them attack. But as you wake up a morning, you're supposed to give God thanks. And thank Him for spirit life to see another day. Thank Him for life, health and strength and daily bread, shelter and everything for that to it.
Chocolate.
You take everything to joke. But listen, you love your belly too much. You tell about God and for you to pray and say things.
You can't pray, I'm not to chocolate.
You tell him about chocolate mix. You didn't man still talk about chocolate. No chocolate sitting there telling him. You have to go get like the chocolate mix there this morning.
You want to make it tea.
So why you never make tea before you eat sweets?
The chocolate mix is chocolate about.
None of it. And you say when you left one pan shelf and it away
No,
from
no,
you.
no, horse, mommy.
None in your house.
No.
That you say. Okay. Yeah, hear you. Anyway, before you go up on the road, you need to put on a word of prayer. Because what going in the road right now, you don't know what to trust, who to trust, what to believe, who to believe. You don't know, you have to just know say one person you trust and one and the Almighty God. One God in heaven and earth, the whole life. And we're supposed to give Him thanks and praise Him. And ask Him for guidance and protection. You see, every day you get up, you walk about married and you say thank you Jesus, I like your style.
I say thank you Jesus, everyone. See how this good man was.
Yeah, you eat too much sweets. Come right here, son. So I take time and talk to you normal and nice and easy and calm. Because I don't really want you to go sick and you love chat about everything me they talk to you about and everything you fuss about and you're too miserable. Anytime people telling you the truth, you know, say they're miserable and them are not gonna and you don't want to hear the truth. You don't want to hear the truth. Eh? Well, I don't want to hear the truth.
No.
Anyway.
Oh boy.
Go pray now.
You say you're going to pray over $5 million. Just do it now.
Because you have to explain yourself to you understand that
Do
prayer
it,
is powerful and a serious something you have to take
come
it
with
serious.
me, amen.
No, wait, no. I'm not cycle. I'm not cycle. You take no run, no joke with that. Give me this.
Sit down, mommy. I'm
You know, say it finish and you can't want another one. One of these you go buy and say chocolate mix.
No, I buy 3 of that and 2 chocolate mix. I'm not going to shop for my man.
So why you eat so much sweet and you not drink water?
And that's why I said it, if you buy and eat it.
Alright. Don't worry yourself till what will happen to you. Anything happen to you, we find out when you say and you will know and figure out if you hide make them and sell it to your people and you eat. Don't worry yourself.
Boy.
Hello. Close your eyes. I mean, I'm not joking with you. Close your eyes.
Yeah, they like
Yes, you mean a peace. I'm going to wake up with a good spirit this morning. Me see you. Just open your eyes so and you look at me. Because I'm not sure tell me they watch you.
that not
So I'm going
right.
to take prayer for joke. I pray for you and ask God for guide and protect your boat and your road. No laughing. You have to be serious when you come on to God. 6 months old.
Yeah, give me.
Alright. Clasp your hands.
I'm not screaming about.
Clasp your hands. Close your eyes. Turn your hand the right. That's right. You have no baby, you know?
No,
Big old
I
girl.
don't saw them go.
You waste my time. I'm not want to go to the home business. And you say you go and shop. Come.
Oh, yeah,
Clasp.
me did it.
This way. I pick up my time. And you man numbness are wait for me to give me money.
Come with me, pray, man.
Anyway. Most righteous and eternal. Clasp your hands. If you make me start over again, me not go bother pray for you or anything reach you. That me I tell you. Most righteous and eternal Father, as I come before you in your presence this morning, I'm asking you for your continuous guidance and protection. Lead us not into temptation and deliver us from the root of all evil. Go before us, Lord. Have thine own way and let me follow your spirit in Jesus' mighty name. Lord, I pray for myself and my families and friends. I'm asking you to continue to cover us under your blood. From the crown of our head to the sole of our feet, in Jesus' mighty name I pray. Amen.
Amen. No, sir. You don't cry. Why won't you? This is a good dog.
Just the person I look for.
My company said me I go on the road and come back.
You love road, that not change.
No, I gonna stretch my legs them and come back.
Tell me something. Me puzzle.
What is that?
How you find me? I know see me a 2-bedroom house and find me. I may never give you my address.
Tracker, mommy. GPS tracker.
Tracker?
Yes.
So I track you, track me?
Yes. Mommy.
How you track me?
My tracker up on the phone.
That your daddy mash up?
Yeah.
Oh.
Before you mash up you make track you and found it party so I just come cause a long time I didn't come cause I miss you cause I couldn't take you no more over yard.
So a long time you miss me and I just now you come?
Yes. I'm just get the time to come. I never have no money, I never have no fear, mommy, we can't understand.
So when exactly you start track me? Me a cheat now?
Mommy, when I say you're cheap, but you're pack.
Before your phone mash up, before you phone me, you no remember my number. You don't remember how to text me, how to phone me. But yet you can GPS me and track me.
Mommy,
like
I'm 5 minutes upset. I was upset because I couldn't be saying me and your dad and you pop me up. I send me up.
And I couldn't believe say me is your mother and you're so disrespectful and cause problem. And I go kill me with heart and blood pressure. You go unalive me with heart and blood pressure problem as my daughter.
Well, me change this time. I have to change. And I'm just going on the road to stretch my legs.
Do. May I beg you please and thanks. Don't not cause no trouble. Not brought no fight. Not argue with nobody picnic. Not argue with nobody man or woman, yeah?
So mommy, I think
I can't take the stress. Me come to a new area and you come chip me and find me.
How me trick you and find you?
Chip me must a chip. Me a chip that they can GPS me.
Mommy don't like a style, mama. Me change it, make like me this bad person. Like me the worst picking you ever have in your life.
No, me would know where it's out there, but me can only go by experience. Alright.
Take time with me, man, because me change. I have fully changed. I'm a grown woman now.
Oh, leopard change them spot now.
A leopard you call me, mommy? Why you call me leopard? Me like a leopard?
Me remember history, Kayla. And me go through it. And me go through the shame.
Mommy.
And me cry the tears.
Listen to me, mommy.
And I have to hold my head down. Because when the people them a cuss you and a chat about you, I true them a talk.
Chat to what? To be trouble them Pitney? Mommy. Let me tell you what happened. You see that time there like an incident what happened is because the girl did too bright. In that trouble, so mommy made have to push him off of the cliff. You have to push him off. You change.
Go up on the road. Go up on the road. All me I beg you to please no trouble.
Yeah.
Alright. That one thing's me born yesterday. No change.
Hey girl, what I want the juice soda. Lord, Jesus Christ, girl, you have to drop the soda upon the ground. You don't have sense. So what you do, mama? Just make it soda la frat out. Some mad girl, yeah.
I want see you take me juice for me drinking, mama. I'm thirsty, you know.
We have a problem? You have a problem?
You shouldn't take me juice.
Hey, girl, shut up, you know who me be? You know me come from, girl? A town me come from, so me tell you that. Me a mad girl. You come make up nice about juice. Yeah, what? You own juice, yeah?
Yes, I sit in that juice and you take it.
My girl, nothing ever in there want it, but you now no sense me take it from you. You're too fool. What's your name?
Mama, I'm juice, me want you don't have to know that.
again, you know who me make you come. Mama, come on, me tell you something. Watch out. Me tell you something. You see me? What a mad y'all. Every time I get to used to me, come in that area now. And since you see me, anything where you have when you depart, let it off. It's my boss of a face in you. You hear me? I say. You get what me I say, girl?
You can't say something more.
Up for more. Where want to ask me?
So when you do all of this, now me for ball?
Yeah, this is what I'm saying. Watch out. My fuck. I want to put your hand too. I want to watch that.
No.
Girl! Me must catch a girl. You get a bright, you know, man. Me must catch it, but you don't know me bad. This come down.
Oh boy.
Oh.
I just check if you have no cup on your hand, a fight or nothing.
Why would I have cup on my hand? Why would I fight?
Girl, you love fights. Me just check if your hand chip up after no fight or nothing.
No, mommy.
You're not gonna cause no trouble on the road.
Mommy, me don't come down here for cause no problem. Mommy, come here for make money. I come down here for make you happy. Me don't come here for cause problem. But you ever think the worst things about me?
Okay, me just look up from experience.
Everything
Seeing
you
is believing.
Mommy, listen to me, mommy.
Mm-hmm.
I come down here to make you happy and make money and I give me something. We don't come there for create no problem. When you create problem.
Okay, so you really learn.
Yes.
Okay.
Mommy, I know sometimes you pray for me, the prayer them work. The prayer them do work. Pray for me, man.
You want me to pray for you?
Yeah, mommy, cheer up yourself and pray and smile. You not happy to see me?
Wow.
So me come here be a bad face, yeah, give me like you're happy to see me.
No, sir, this really changed. You want me to pray for you?
Yeah, mommy, cheer
All
up and
right,
pray for
me
me.
never turned down prayer.
Yeah.
We'll pray for you.
Pray for me.
Heavenly Father, we come before you and give you thanks and praise. And I'm praising you because it looked like my daughter really changed for the good.
Mommy.
I'm thanking you.
Mommy.
You can't interrupt me when you pray.
Me, I tell you, if you pray there, you pray all long. Me no long prayer. Me I go bed. Jesus. You have to take too long to done prayer. Me think you just say two little words and that's it.
Huh. Leopard no change them spots, eh? You gotta take long to show me who you really be. Alright, no problem. I still I go pray for you because you're a picnic. I love you.
Oh, afternoon, mommy. Mommy, me have something to tell you.
Where me? What time of day now? Where they come from? Why you just a come back? Can you tell me say they go out the road, go get chocolate mix. After 12 now and soon 1 o'clock and you just a come back from shop?
Me need to look for grandma.
Jesus Christ, you go look for grandma.
Mommy, me have something to tell you.
Your grandma they know you so. Your grandmother no they know where you
But I'm
so.
the father's side, mommy, not your mother. Anyway,
You feel me an idiot?
you say,
What
mommy,
is your problem?
when me come from my grandma, I walk a come down past the bamboo tree a little bit. One black girl see me, lick up me juice out of my hand and take
You
out
love
the
say that?
sticky.
You love discriminate people, I style people about their complexion. You are what? What is wrong with you? Every minute, so what? We are say brown and black every minute. No, because you two out of order. I don't care where you and them about a rule. We are style people about black or this and that and one if something. What is your problem?
Yeah, take me juice out of my hand and drink it, boss. You're turning come from my bad girl. And anyway,
Black
you
is
see me,
beauty.
you beat me up. You
What?
I like talk to you
No,
about
me no want you to talk to me because me know say you little bit and lie and general and troublesome.
When
and when
last
you go
me
out the
tell
road,
lie?
go time it. When last I tell lie, you always tell lie. So see, because when you are talking truth, me no know.
And
That's
I
why me
post me a
always tell.
see girl.
When me talk, do not speak, man.
Boy.
Don't talk while me talking. You're out of order. So me grow you. You don't have no manners. You come and tell me something. You don't want me to talk. You know, wait till me finish. You want talk while me a talk. How me I go hear what you say? Alright, let me shut up my clap as you talk. Where you say up no the road? Can you come like me deaf? Cause you a chat, me a chat. You are kinda here when me a say me a kinda here. Look here, girl, talk.
Mommy,
bother with
me
you.
I come from my grandma. One black girl see me and tap me, lick out me juice out of me and take it from me and drink it and start bad me up and threaten me. But see a turning come from him, a bad girl.
Yeah.
And he juke off on me head with the juice.
Yeah.
And then I asked me about say if I want to watch this from my hand. And then me run, because I gotta take up stick to lick me.
So she take up the stick to lick you on the road. And you not try to defend yourself. You come home and tell me. Why you come home and tell me? What you expect me to do? Go out the road, go fight people for you?
So me never walk with no ratchet moment, sure?
You hear you're evil and stay. So if you did walk with one of them, there's something the way you attack. What you gonna do with people then? And then police would have lock you up.
Nothing alright.
And when you go to the road and go do them something there to people, do not give no police me number. Tell the police them say you don't have any mother, your mother and your granny you grow there and it's a banger she have and you don't know the number. That means they don't call nobody, then just lock you up and tell them say they don't give yourself bail. You know nobody to bail you. Because you want to go road, go put yourself in a trouble and come over and tell me for me go to road, go cause people. Leave me alone.
Some of the girl just joke off me with juice. They want to joke off me too.
Look here. You know so me don't believe you because you always a tell lie. You always a tell lie. Me don't believe you. You have to learn to speak the truth and stop tell lies. So when you talk the truth, me can know say the truth.
Black ugly girl, me show you and you hack star.
Where girl take from you?
Me juice.
Why the girl just see you and she don't know you?
The girl sit down and me a walk past the girl say, you girl.
Why?
And me a walk. And the girl take me juice out of me.
Yeah, listen to me say, this girl do not know you. Why she just see you? She don't know you and just take away one juice from you so for nothing at all. Why? What you do?
I look like a man, he man look.
You look like a man, she a look. So you a man?
No, that is my whole point. You shouldn't tap me. Come in,
Jesus Christ, me don't understand you. Me don't understand you. Me not
Mommy,
understand you.
Mommy, you know it's difficult to talk to me.
Yes, because you not listen to me, that's why you're not learning. You want to go road and come back and tell me, say, girl, see you take away your juice. You don't know girl, girl don't know you, and they just see you take away your juice. And I must see you do girl take away your juice.
I mean, not take her man, mommy.
God have mercy, God. Oh, me go
Of
know
course,
that.
me I see her too, like
Me can't know that because no found a girl road go take people, man, and then they act like you not take people, man. That's why girl them a soon and a bust no ass.
Man, me not talk to no Jamaica, man.
Here, yeah. You gone in a country style now. You can't bother.
It's difficult.
Yeah, me difficult because
I saw me know you meant to beat the pick me.
you hear me difficult because you hard to learn and you don't like listen.
If you get touch me back, me I tap him up and make police come dry you.
Dry who? I mean do nobody nothing.
Me I say.
Where you take the pen and write up your skin so far?
A tattoo. Me see what me
Why
like
you they take the pen and write up your skin? What is the
I
problem?
want tattoo. This
So a tattoo you want?
Yeah.
Yeah man, big up yourself. Put down your pen there so I buy me buy. You're too out of order.
And when me talk about the girl and police come to me, I say my mother say me fi do it.
They think police are gonna believe you that? Me look like an idiot if you go tell one big old ass steering jackass like you if you go talk about people and then me if you go pay for bail you and find money if you go get liar and go on where they go. Come out of my room. Come out of my room. From man you left out of the yard and just to come back. Me no want hear nothing from you. The girl should drop piece of switch and bust your ass. You come here and come tell me about girl take away juice. You look it's some good juice alone she take. Watch you. Easy.
What? There you go. Just a clean up the place, little.
I come to talk to you if you tell us that I go on the road and so when you stay in the
Again? Kayla, where you really come down for? You come down for New Road or you come down for see me? Cause from you coming and see you, all me see is your back.
You blind? You not see me now, mommy? Last night me here the whole time, you never see me? Me I go on the road?
No, Kayla, please and thanks, me I beg you. Me work hard, you know. You make me have to leave the last area we're living in, you know. Sick of shame. And me come find myself clear down here, a new location. And the place not up yet. I'm a batter. And I work hard. And just I keep my head down and I go through. Me not mind nobody business. Me not fasting in nobody business. And nobody know me for trouble. Kayla, do me, I beg you, please and thanks, because me can't afford to move again. Nobody come down here, come no road and do trouble, do the same thing. My head can't take it, my pressure can't take it.
Me going on the road, how that concern you? How that affect you?
Aye, who have sharp memory now? Who lick who head now? Eh? Why me have to move? How much fight you get in at the last time? Everywhere you go, trouble follow back and you like said trouble name ticks. I'm not pressure. All me I say, please, you want to know the area. No cause no trouble. Cause I can't move from here. I can't afford it.
Every day you keep a chat about this one more thing. You come here and this, that. Me tired of you, man. You chat too much.
Chat too much? Me know what me I chat about. I me know what me have to chat say.
Mama, I don't talk to you. Me they go on the road. Cause I know how me going on the road. They affect you and you have to move.
Really?
Me I go on the road.
You don't remember what you do? You don't remember how you beat up my Sally? Truth hurts. When me lick you with the truth, you run. Damn picking on no manners and I come protect my brain today. You better not cause no trouble, you know. Oh.
Watch ya. You know some more something down in shop. Alright, wait there. Tiana! Come here. Come put on a shop for me. Go buy something. Me not have no money. Me not have no money. I just this me have. What you mean? You can't send your shop again. You get too big now and too old.
What you want?
Before me tell you when I want a shop.
You're like
You see the other day when you come in here and I tell me say the girl see a road and take away your juice or something. And I really feel me want you feel bad and I know. Like I know what we put it now. I don't believe you, you know, but that's the truth. No, you always a tell lie. That's why I tell you to talk the truth. So when you come and I tell me something, me know if you do. But nobody thinks it's true, me did a bill so. You feel say me now go see that the girl there and deal with fear case for you. Don't worry about it. Anyway.
You say you want to see a shop. Me did something on the road to support. Where you want to shop?
Why you rush? Shower?
No! I call me and my friend for me on the road. She said she going to go at the same shop with me.
Anyway, you see the money here? You can take this.
Myself?
Yes, take it. And you can go on out the road, but make them take it from you. Nobody make no girl take away no money from you, nor no juice, nor nothing again.
Give me this put for it too.
Yes, next time when I come with a liar true, you know that somebody the way they hold they take away money from you and go tell me why. This is mine. That is yours. We give you 2, me take 1.
Oh, so this is mine? Alright, so give me here now, because this can't buy nothing.
Me not have no more. Go on. Me nobody want it. Just take it and buy something with it. Nobody make them take it from you out the road. Go on.
That's why I love them.
Don't stay too long, you know.
You good? Pass the money.
Which money?
The money back. Are you pass the money now, girl?
Mama asking me with money?
Hey, girl, give me money. Me see the count up money here. Because you hide money in the back. Yeah, let her find money, man.
Why every time you see me, you take me things, them? Give me back my money, girl.
Me box in your face, girl.
Why you take me things from me?
Take off all the watch, too.
No, you can't get the watch.
Take off the watch.
Mama, help me.
Take off the watch,
no.
Mr. Girl. Come up here, son.
You know me, I'm going to take him back my money. I'm going to take him back my money.
You feel like me afraid of you? Go on for any bucket if you want to go on for, because I'm not afraid of you. Which money me go and give you back?
And
what you want about it?
Because I'm a juice, now my money, a pairs name or pairs me.
Nobody not pairs, nobody pairs not you. And that bamboo tree me a go.
No problem.
So if you feel go for who you want to go for, because I'm afraid of nobody.
Hey girl, go ahead.
No bamboo tree me there. Right. Think like.
Mommy. You tell me like. You see, I'm going to take my juice, take my money.
Again?
Again.
What you mean?
May I go up? You may tell you something I go buy something, right? Because you want something, you just give me money and do. You girl take me money. And I said, she may figure if anybody want to go because she not afraid of nobody. And she go there and like bamboo tree.
You not tell her I want for your mama?
No.
Why?
Me not tell him yet.
And she don't know who I am, ma.
But me girl too thief, man.
Hold on, before me go out there, because that the girl there, no give you no money if you put on. So me not understand the reason why she has see and take things from you. I did juice, no money. Like seriously? Wait, me I go out there, but me need to question you on this first. Because sometimes kids Do not speak the truth. Me not say you're a liar, you know.
Christ,
No, listen, me not say you're a liar. Just listen what me I say. Tiana, you do her something?
Mommy, what me fi do?
Me don't know, me just ask you, me just want to know.
She just see me and I text it for me.
And you not do her nothing?
No, mommy, what me fi do her?
No, because I do not want to be like some of the parents them as them pitney tell them sitting then jump to conclusion and not ask the child no questions. So I write thing me I do.
Me nah
You
walk
sure
and
say you're
make
not
trouble
trouble
with
her?
nobody. No, mommy.
Alright, come. Out there we go.
Come on.
She too out there. Let me sit down. Let me next slippers there.
You take everything from me. Let me know. See me.
Excuse me please. You take something from me daughter? First me you say you take drinks from her. Next me you say you take money. What is your problem? Where you on her arm?
Me no have no, me no take nothing from her.
I don't understand. You sure you say this is the person where you say take your money and juice?
Sitting never wrong with me either, mommy. Ah, she take me sitting and don't tell her like little girl.
So you never see her before?
With me money.
What you do, my expose my body? Jesus.
Mommy, ah, she take me things.
Me not tell nothing for you. Listen to me tell her happen. Me a walk a come. And me see this little girl talk down here with a black boy who live over son. Tucky son. You know Tucky son? Yes, I me see him take him money and get Tucky son. And man me see him with me not take no money from you. We are tell like palm for. And why me not take a juice? But I'm very bright and out of what I do that. I'm not that type of person.
You see me with man?
Me blind, so but I know
So
you.
you're not only
So me
people
see
to
her.
lie.
Okay, don't accuse me. Talk to your daughter, please. Me like how she approach me. Talk to her.
Me not understand. Who they talk the truth? Who tell lie? Me not understand.
Mommy, me have one question to ask you. When you do my medical a year time, doctor ever tell us there's something wrong with me? Yeah, my memory. Nurse ever tell her that, mommy?
Me I do medical and I check for your memory.
So,
Mama,
hold
the
on.
nurse can't tell her if something wrong with you.
They never check for that. They check for see if you breathe.
See if me breathe.
And that then check when I go to medical. I mean, don't know where you get your senses from.
Mommy, talk to her now. She have no money. I make talk.
Me do not have any money. I don't got no money. I'm not a troublemaker. I'm not trouble people. Girl,
Take
see
off
me.
your slippers.
Me not have no
Let
money.
me see your phone back.
Christ. I don't got any money.
You tell me say I saw you hungry little time. I left you up there so with the money.
Me I beg you to. Talk to your daughter for me. Talk to your
Hold on
daughter,
there.
please.
Right now, me
Cause I
confused.
saw she see me on the road the other day. And she disrespect me and call me the most name dirty bitch. I say one said that sitting here that a class me now, so I don't know
So
how
how she just see you and the class here?
That me want know.
When you take the drinks from her, she a class here?
No, me did not take any drinks from her. I did not see her any drinks. She a walk a come,
So
right?
hold on there. You can come show me the man who take the money from her
And that
or
she
juice
fi
or
do.
whatever.
Making sure that the man, mommy.
It's alright, if you want me to show your man, me can show you the man.
Where the
But-
man there?
You must turn the road. Tucky son live down the road. If you want, you can go on.
Make she carry her cause she said she see
And then no, you body
Me
juice
don't know
now.
where you locate. You and them the kind of people they are afraid.
Okay, but you see now, body juice now. I did not take a juice on her. Let's see how you walk up from the class, say hi, walk on. She take the juice half finger from me and say, me have to talk to her.
I like that I tell mommy. I like she I tell
You see, I let me
mommy.
when you come out and walk, girl, you not believe, say that I insult me on the road.
Mommy, if you believe
May I ask you one more time again? You take any money from your daughter?
She take the
No,
money.
I did not take anyone from your daughter. Why would I take your daughter money? That makes sense.
I know say you tell me say you get a parent if you do me a bore him up though.
Hey, daughter, come here, come call me, girl. I never yet one insult and call her girl and her name words that she come back and insult
When
me.
you let me know me head with the juice and I take it from me, we no insult that too.
Show the evidence
Or
of me
abuse.
in your head with juice.
The evidence you say me turn up with man and give man money, and that to show me.
Me tell your mother fool for son, you go on down there. It's a phone business.
You're not going to do it like that, you know. Because not you see me stand up so easy. You think you're so it a go. True, me not grab you and defend me that
No,
money
you
from you.
cannot
and
grab
you
me. You'd be wrong, you don't have no evidence. You couldn't grab me. You're wrong.
I saw
You
you
didn't see
go
where
when
me
you
take
take your
it from
juice
her?
and me so you go, hey girl, give me your juice. So she go. And juke off me head. Allow me I tell?
I would have said something, but I don't bother.
Area.
Remember, say you have to come back a road.
You see me I tell you though?
And
She push me.
she give you herself.
Yes, she
some money.
push me. She push me. I'm going to push her back. But I'm not push her back in front of her because of your daughter. So she come home and tell us that I push her because she did push me today. This when she push me.
Hello. I want my daughter money.
Give me my money too.
Me want my daughter money. Me want it. Me give her her money to come and road.
My be close half for me. Me don't have no money. I don't your money. This put on back my money. What wrong with your girl?
Give me my money.
This is the daughter thief now. This is what you call thief. And you insult me now.
But she take for me money.
Take me back. Hello. Talk to your daughter now.
You can't do
Come
that.
in there.
I lie you tell.
So look come here.
I lie you they tell me.
So why you come
Hello. Not true you see me calm and nice and easy.
Then buy yourself one juice and chop people juice.
You want me box you too? No give her back none. Hold that.
You realize when you see a money, I'm going to
Hello. You see this somebody where you see taking money from her? Go on back, go take the money from this somebody and carry come give me, then you get that.
Mommy, you hear what she say? When me see me mother, me have energy. You see, she ever pick for me, bro. Talk, you're too fool. You're too fool. After you take my money.
say. I only, hello.
Little girl.
Remember say you have to come back and shopping. She must say you are shopping. Alright. Yes,
I
ma'am.
plan to take next money from her. So you really take
Me not take the money from your daughter. How much that?
Ask her
Alright,
what she
here
say.
I
Let me call Gammy.
Have manners.
You don't have any.
Have manners to me mother.
Yeah, man, I delete them where you give her. I delete them where you give her. She'll give you back.
Is it never
You
big woman?
drink her juice.
If you never big woman,
What you gonna do?
I would have roll with you out here. But I'm chewing in that right now.
You know about that big. Come we roll. Come we
Come
roll.
on. Say good. Can you come as a customer?
Go ahead, girl.
I know me not got me the right to say me did it before. No, please to excuse.
You know say you idiot.
Okay,
Where you
no,
leave people on the road and then they run behind me. I mean you want to defend you? I saw you
Okay,
damn out
good
to hold me
then.
food and come on road.
Give
Give me money. Give me see much money girl. Where you take
At
from her?
250.
Give me wholly. Make me wholly. Give me.
Some of me not want to.
No, give me. See your money here. You want piece of idiot. So me feed you. For you get big. And you just big and so and you name out everything when me have and make people take whether she take your money or she take your juice or
Mommy,
not.
what she Hannah do?
And she-
Hannah this so.
Me and sit down properly.
Mommy, where she and Mommy look Hannah this so. Look in her tree thumb. Cause what she Hannah this do?
Please give me back money and tap make your daughter tell me that.
Mommy, where she put her Hannah this so for? You see the girl that, hey girl.
You see how your daughter insult me, they call me girl?
So you take me money. You take me money.
You still a fight. You don't have no use. Alright, you see this one me take from you? Me go give her back because me don't see her with no money. And she say somebody down the road take the money.
Why don't care money I go down
people
there?
say, me dead pan road, you just say, okay, no go suck a titi in a yard. You see you, mommy?
Dead
Me come go down.
still different from thief.
Me come go down.
Take back the money.
I tell daddy say I believe people over me. Watch. They eat up to your money.
All you do and your mouth is food. Look what you do. Try to fight somebody in front of me and they come hide behind me. Look how you're big and strong. Your mouth is all of me food and I know you. Take back your money.
Yeah.
So whether you have the money or not, me believe you. Say you don't have it.
We don't have
She go along about our business. Big and so.
Oh, that girl don't know who she around putting up. I sorry for she. I sorry for she. Cause when I hold her, I thump her and grab her back. Insult me with your mother. Right.
Bye. You say you're not beating me, man. Oh boy, not in trouble, you good?
You want me there? Come on, honey. I got it good.
Where you get US? Where you get that bread and money from? Lord God, Kelly, don't tell me so you got thief or fight people for money. Where you get money from?
Me have a thief and fight people for money. Me can't handle US. Me look USable.
Me not understand. You come here and from you come here all you do walk street. And now you not only come with Jamaican money, you come with US. How you boss is so Kelly, please me beg you, don't cause no trouble.
Do me moment. Cause me I work up at the hotel up the beach I only play in a US.
You get job.
Yes.
You get job for true?
Me tell you I'm come off your work and I chicken me a jerk. Oh.
Okay, so what you do?
What you do?
What work you do?
Sweet me a scoopy, I don't know. Me not say no documents as yet. But as soon as I send up the documents I get front desk work. But no I see up the yard. Clean up the place.
Okay, which hotel? Which one? Which hotel? I make you believe you.
No, mommy, I
Alright.
commit. You know, sometimes it's the big words we not to remember.
Okay.
But in
and then
new
you have got the
hotel-
reception work.
No, I reception work now, I use the phone. Yeah, I hotel up a beach, man.
Okay.
You know, a new hotel. Yeah, be like in a sense. You know, a new hotel up a beach. But pay in the US, I read about
Okay. The work that you don't know where you work for, no problem. All me know, I beg you, don't cause no trouble. Come here.
Mama, me tell us that me have work. I'm bright enough to know the big words on the building.
I'm glad you get a job. I'm glad for you. If it's really a genuine job you get, oh God, I'm proud of you.
Me not feel like a problem. I feel bad in myself. From come here,
You can't blame me if you have to prove it. You have to gain my trust again.
Jesus
The
Christ,
way you
man.
hurt me and messed my life up.
People can change.
Yes,
People can
change. And I pray to God say you change for you. But you can't expect me to just come trust you, so.
Hello. People like I only make people like I will not change. Because ever them don't talk with.
Oh dear. I'm proud of you if it's really
You know,
working.
bro, they don't even say, yes, me daughter, you get work. I'm so happy that you change your life, everything. You come and come ask me for teeth.
Because me,
Thief
you
mark
see
in my
that.
parade. Thief mark
You
up in
really
my
want me to
parade.
answer that?
Yeah, it's a thief did it.
Thief the this, it the this, it the this, and it the this. Thief I got bust a left and bust a right all over you. But me pray so you change. Congratulations. Invest your money now. You earn your money, put it to good use. Don't squander the money. Here, save up your money and get your own a place. Girl, who you talk to, sir? Hey, you think so me and your size? Come on to my room, man. You come for perpex, my baby. I talk to you, find out go along. You're me and your size. Come on. Before me go get the belt. Where the belt there? You think so you too big for belts?
Me a big woman.
You think me too big for belts? Come out, man. You just come for perplex me. Sure. Can't turn her more times. You think me an idiot about work.
Yeah, who you? Me a talk to you, girl. You know, say
Who you be?
Give me this. Give me this.
Yeah, give me color one.
What is that?
I see a thief. I see a walk around and thief people things.
Why you so rank?
How you so rank?
Rank. Hold on there. This is one you are very serious. Me have to come on up.
Girl, I might color one and my mother give me. I got me color.
Let
my color.
Yeah, let us for the color one. I hear it.
Yes.
Let outside. Let outside. What? Thump in your head. Let outside color one.
My color one.
So, girl, let go for the color one.
My color one.
What happened to you?
Take me color from me and take it back and she not give me.
Eh?
She take me color after my mother. Me buy for her present to my mother birthday. She take
girl,
me
come
color.
Who for this color?
It's my color on me. So me collect a while ago.
Let me see it.
And my color
You never say no yours, just let me see it. Where you get this color from?
me buy for the Chinese man downtown. In a Tim Young.
Few months.
It don't $7,000 cheap, but I cheap cologne them.
7,000 I pay for this?
Yeah. It don't sell a color in a Tim Young.
It's still in a Tim Young.
Where you buy this? Who give you this?
Me just collect it from my uncle so if he carry go give me father. For my mother today, my mother birthday. And she a beat me up so your ball now.
What happened make you take away your cologne make she a cry?
This is my cologne, me don't take on nobody cologne.
Oh,
Tell
God.
my mother. You know you want wicked pitney?
You sure say yours?
Oh my cologne, my mother for my mother. Me buy for her birthday.
What is your name?
Shanice.
Why first me I see you up on the lane?
Because me not normally company road. My father don't like when me company road. Because I pay reason like a this.
Me say if you are one of them too, you
One hour.
just come like my daughter, I'm not too lie.
Oh your daughter miss. And oh me lie.
Let me ask you one question. Why the reason you would have really see the girl with her cologne and come take it from her and tell me say
Mr. My cologne. Me just call it the cologne a while ago.
so why your cologne and she a crying on yours? Me not
She
believe.
never did a cry a while ago, you know. A beat, she done beat me and she me a defend myself.
Me that try to take you back from her because she
You know,
not
so
come and take you away.
They really and truly mean it when they say wicked people easy for ball, you know.
A 3 month now me I see everybody cologne for my mother birthday.
And it's done, I do 7,000 left for the cologne.
3 months the girl sales to buy her cologne. And you see already I saw your mother teach you for thief.
Miss, me not grow with no mother. Me grow with my father and my father do not teach me for thief. It's my cologne that occupy give me for care give me papa.
So wait, how about this? How did I try pull it?
She
Him come here pull it from her and she can tear. I will go
How much
back
money
to
you pay for again?
$7,000 and I team you.
And a 3 month you take to save up the 7.
Yes.
Oh God, little girl will make you so wicked.
Mother
Go on home to your
birthday.
papa.
Miss, you know say me gonna make my father come to you.
Come to who?
It's not fair cologne.
No, me no want your cologne. Me no need it. The little
Then
girl
you
just
need to
take her-
give me back the cologne and me can't go give my father because me go up without it, my father is going to beat me.
You need to get a bus ass to stop thief people things.
Miss, over things me you know I'm gonna call me.
Go on in your yard. Damn thief. Hold this. I just say a yours. Take it and go on to your yard.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. And no follow around thief, eh? So
Yeah.
you will turn post.
Alright.
Mm-hmm, go on. Wicked.
Daddy, if this million want to come up with the cologne, I want like a black ugly girl take the cologne from me, you know. I want like a ugly woman like she and a pretty for comb my hair. I want to talk about a Kayla cologne and take the cologne and give Kayla.
Kayla.
Yes.
Kayla.
One like a black pitten, so she named Kayla. She black and her hair them big.
She taller than you?
Yes. And he maga. And he head twist up like what do.
I wonder if I Charmian daughter.
I don't know if she mother name.
Kayla. She not recently come from here.
Me I know at first me I see her and the lady say, oh yeah name? And she said Kayla and she asked me what my name. I tell her what my name.
Only hold on there. Charmian alone have one picking there, Kayla. Hold on there. What I know about her since lately come there. Me not get Charmian yet. Me soon call her back. Listen me now. You see you? You come like a some destruction.
Oh me come like a this.
Where you walk up and down the road with cologne for?
Me just call like a cologne from George. He send for care come give you. And me the care cologne come give you.
You know how much is that cologne there? Do you know how much for that cologne? That cologne worth $65,000. Yeah. So you see, if you can't find back my money, you see, the worker when me have up a yard, a matter of fact, it might shit better for you. You go walk and start talk to people them yard and make back
So
my
you
money.
call back the lady and see if you
Me
get
soon
it.
call her back. Don't force me to call back nobody.
But me not say she have a cologne. Me not pay for me now.
And you better make sure her pick me and make me call her and her pick me. Yes, a matter of fact, me just done cooking. Don't touch no food until me clarify my cologne.
Oh, great.
If even the smell out of the pot disappear, me ain't a problem. If you make the smell out of the food pot come out, me and you in a problem.
So where they go now, daddy?
So try make sure you sit down out the door and not smell out the food.
Sit down out the door.
Yeah, cause
So, you lock up your house?
me not lucky, but if you go inside the center, go suck out.
Where they go?
I'd rather you sit down out the
Where
door.
you go now?
What you asking for?
No,
Why you ask me where
I'm
me
not
go?
come on a dear life.
Let me ask you a question. You are my father?
No,
You are my mama?
no.
So why the box? Look at girl. Hey. Oh, right. You wait. I'm out to where you're out to where you go sleep.
What you say she do what? That is it. That's a last straw at the picnic. Thank you. You deal with her, here. Thank you. No go station. You deal with her. I know what to do. Thank you for phone here. Thank you for phone. Me sorry. Me gonna see you later. Me gonna deal with our case. Alright. I'm tired of that girl. And she promised me, you know. She for me to my mom. Don't touch me. I'm gonna give you one chance. I'm gonna give you one chance. Wait there. How you get cologne? Please and thanks tell me how you come home with cologne. And before you talk, tell me the truth.
Okay.
Okay, it's gonna be what's up for you if you don't hear the truth.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna save up for buy this for you.
Look me in the eye and tell me that again.
Mommy, I was saving up this to buy for you.
Really? Saving it from what? Saving it with what?
Must me have the work and I'm work at the hotel. I'm see don't tell me say me buy if you come never buy you one gift.
What me tell you? Me not tell you say you come with your foolishness clanked down here and ruin it for me and you. Eh?
What you talking about?
What you talk about? You know how much this shop, your little scrape up job can't do that. Yeah, exactly. Your little scrape up job can't do that. You think some me an idiot? You think some me an idiot? You waste. You lie to me again. You think some me an idiot? Hey, now you think some me an idiot? Huh? You don't think some me get phone calls here say you bad up girl teeth or cologne? Huh? All woman come witness it and tap on fool. Woman know you from Adam Shushi and know you and you work out. I bet you cry. I bet you give the crocodile tears. I bet you give the crocodile tears. Tell me the truth, you never give the crocodile tears, but the poor woman believe you. Tell me the truth, cause the next one I go up on you, you know, cause you not ruin this for me, yeah.
Me clear you don't want to hear me say can you stand up and shout at top your voice.
Please God, Jehovah God, do. Please tell me the truth, Kayla. Bear in mind, so we know the truth already. So do.
Okay.
Tell me the truth.
Me walk a come on the road. This short black dwarf girl, see me. And she said, let me see the cologne and me give it to her. And so, you see that special time, I said she must give it back to me like me want it back because me buy it for my mother and me not tell no like me buy the cologne for you. So that time
give me. Thank you.
Yeah.
You're gonna take it to the real owner. Yo, me done with you now. Me can't deal with your foolishness, you know. I jail, me no want to go for you, you know. Me don't kill you, you know. Me give you life and me take it from you, you know. You look how clear down the yes, so me come and move. Clear down yes, so me come and move. You come follow me with your GPS stack. Come follow me. Put the chip, come follow me. Come down, come yes, so come see. Me get phone call. A phone call me just get. Huh? Me have to beg, and you not even pay attention. I beg me have to beg, me have to beg the man of the call police for you.
Me ain't call police.
Alright, me for phone them and tell you
me doing that TV, me not TV. How much time fi tell you?
Your little scrape up so-called digga job can't buy that. A name brand follow on that.
Because you don't know name brand. You don't know name brand. A cheap
You really take me for idiot. You born yesterday.
Me feel like a time.
And you me come from, no you come from me.
Me feel like a time for me go beard, cause
and if you go beard and come out to my house, Kayla, go back where you come from, because I can't take the problem. Me get the phone call them. True, me not say nothing. Me give you a chance, Me try give you a chance, Me get the phone call, and you're so damn stupid. You come in my house with the damn cologne. Me just come off of the phone about the cologne, you know, and the girl come in my house with teeth in cologne jar. A fool, so bring teeth in products in my yard. My police come bust down the door for you. Leave it. Me know who the cologne belongs to.
No. I'll come to you say you don't want it. I will take it.
No, not touch it. Come and know who it belongs to. You say you buy it for me. You know, make me no accessory. You're not making me no accessory in here.
You always your time.
The real owner go and get it. Thank you. Come out to my side. Come here, I go count to 3, and the next one I go pay you back. 1, 2, 3. You shouldn't move. I can't deal with it today. You have to come out to my yard. You have to come out to my yard. You have to go phone Papa and tell him to me get it back.
You want to learn is nice though.
Huh?
You want to learn is nice. For my belly.
Why?
You put too much pepper do. Oh, mommy.
That me outside me.
Where you get them? I got by you.
No. I still not go down on my church sister yard.
Who then?
No, Patsy. I'm doing this one.
Think of the side chick.
Sure. Hold this.
After me?
No, give her.
Oh, after her.
Hell, Patsy send this.
So what man the mommy?
Me buy one nice one for you. Me know them are not your style. Just give her this. She like them so here. Alright. Come, boy, you spoil bad. You take that. And this go give me church sister.
A church sister.
Yes.
What's your name again? Panty?
Patsy. You don't know Patsy?
Mommy. Remember I said I got you from Billy. I thought that's too much.
So you like that one here?
Mommy, yeah, walk up here.
You got that about. Carry that buggy lady and come back. Make sure you come back.
Oh, Miss Panty the bag.
Patsy me say.
Right. And Miss Panty the bag.
You know if Patsy live down at the lane where you always go for water and water gone away. Now don't I see a woman. Go on.
Don't I hold woman from the
Jesus God, stop disrespect old people. Go
tell
on,
me
here,
I
go.
don't there.
Go on, me don't have no money. I'm going to give lady now, man, you pack up with something.
It'll pop up already.
You trouble you, man.
Yes, I will make it.
Go on and come back, go on.
You're actually in. Impress. You know how you can impress me even further and really make me happy?
What is that?
Do, may I beg you? Do not go up on the road today. Please and thanks. Please, may I beg you, killer. Me get a bad dream last night. Me have a funny feeling. Please. For me. For me, please. You gotta stay home?
Yeah, we come on.
Nobody tell me what I want here just because you think some want hear it, you know.
Listen, me gonna stay home. Why you having an argument? What are you gonna? If you stay, so I stay.
Please. Please, may I beg you. Here.
One time in the yard.
You gotta send in the yard and do one.
Play a game for my phone.
Alright, do just chill out. See here, since you play a game on your phone, just chill out. Me soon come. I'm not going to be long.
Yeah.
Alright, so please, may I beg you, make me see you when we come back in.
Yeah.
Just like how me turn the door and come in, or better yet, let me smell dinner. The food, the meat's supposed to defrost. Start it for me now.
Yes, mommy.
I season it and start it.
And I time it too early.
No, but if you season it, I love how you do it,
Yes,
you know. I love your hand and your hand swell rice. You promise?
I promise.
Alright. I love you.
Yeah,
Stay in.
Yes. Stay in. Come here, pick me. If it's a linear, you got a road. Right. You have to do that. How you get chain from? Give me it. Oh, excuse. Hello. I chat chain, girl. I chat to you. You come like you learn. You remember all the day done this, so I your mama did and push me. You that. Oh, I saw no gas. Man, you're fight. Then I tell your mama can't do. Right.
How are you thief now? Yeah, talk about eat it. I will get this.
Nobody give me nothing. I'm mine. What is the problem?
You know, and me want my father cologne.
I don't come for your father, are you?
Come here, listen to me. And listen to me good. Because the ugly woman then the right to son of a save you. Give me this. Offer this. Offer this. Offer this.
Tell what you do.
What you are do?
Get from me and give me this.
Girl. You're not lying me that look for you. Don't ramp with me, you hear? Don't ramp with me, you bride.
Hey, come here.
What?
What you just do to her?
Me not car out.
Why?
Because I know me can't get my father cologne where you take girl like you don't know sense.
Not talk to me so. Don't talk to me so.
I'm just back to
I
you
think
know
me
my
kick you.
father who?
Why you supposed to kill the people
You know
and pick
my
me?
father who? Me know the business you want dead. Me I can't just go get it one. I mean even know who for one.
Little girl. Little girl.
And
Jesus Christ. Why you do this? Why you do this?
Kayla! What happened? What happened? Jesus Christ, I blood this! Kayla! What happened? What happened? Who
You have
did
to go
this to
care
my
of our
picnic?
doctor. Hold on.
Who
Hello,
did this?
little girl.
Candy, you see what happened?
Wait.
Who did this to my
Hold on.
picnic?
Give me this, give me this.
Kayla!
Give me this.
Jesus, so blood! Kayla! What going on?
Wait, what do with this?
What you do to my
Me take
picnic?
it from her because I know she can't give me my father cologne.
I know.
You pick me teeth, me poop a cologne. You
And you lit my picnic up for cologne?
Yes,
You lit my picnic. Jesus Christ.
And
Kayla,
if you are with
Kayla,
this,
if
if
anything,
you run,
Jesus,
run.
let me picnic no wake up. Me, you and your papa, let me picnic no wake
Yeah,
up.
move
From
first.
damn cologne.
She didn't run with me, so
Kayla.
me take it from her and ask her,
Kayla.
okay, what she say, a fear one. Me say, this is not
Kayla.
yours, why you are
Kayla.
run? Give me my father
God.
cologne. Tell me what
Oh,
I'm
God.
calling you tonight if you give me my father
Help me,
cologne.
help me.
No, wait, hold on. You know say a long time your daughter a thief lady.
Me no business with that right now. My
Long time
daughter
your
needs
daughter the
medical
thief.
help. You know,
Because-
because when I kill my picnic,
And me
Kayla.
give me daughter this to
Kayla.
go give you me third
Kayla.
sister.
When I
Patsy.
kill my picnic,
And she take you away from me
no wake
daughter.
up.
And the
Candy, let me
fear.
picnic no wake up. The whole them on a dead today. Kayla.
I know me
Kayla.
father beat
Let me picnic no wake up. The whole community dead today.
why I showed so far?
Baby.
What is someone I showed so
Before they help me get her up.
And when you are short so far, she done knock out already. All you have to do call the ambulance to come pick her. You can't manage her.
Help me pick her up and get her
Leave
up.
her alone when the ambulance come. Me help you put her in there. What we are going to do with
You have
her?
a phone the ambulance instead of arguing me.
You
You
don't have no phone. I left my phone on me and I pass me a pass. And
Your phone?
at
Me
this
not
action
call
belongs to
nobody.
me. And me give me daughter, your daughter TV friend from my daughter. And now this I
So
want.
I can kill my picnic for cheating?
No, me not say she fi dead.
Wanna
Me sorry about what happened, but me could get to a phone from somebody, no?
Help!
Me will help.
Help! Somebody help! Come
Me
on!
got my yard.
Your daughter too thief. No, me
Taylor.
understand. Say the cologne me take from the girl and give her the cologne no belong
Are
to
you
her.
give her the cologne?
Because I know
My
mine. I feel
cologne.
I feel that next little girl here cologne and me think of her. She
And
too
then
like.
let me picnic out for that.
No, me no
And
lick
then
her.
let me picnic out and kill me picnic
Yeah,
for
me
that.
just come right here, so I did not lick your child. Me just ask her why she lick her and then she explain herself. The chain and no fear, the cologne and no fear. She take with me daughter juice.
Oh, mommy. Kayla, wake up. That's it, baby. Wake up, baby. Come, baby. Wake up, baby. Wake up. Get up, baby. Get up. Mommy. Oh, God. Oh, God, baby. Thank you, Jesus.
Good.
Shut your mouth. If anything did really do my picnic, me kill the whole on her.
Mommy, listen to me. Move on my father.
Don't touch my picnic.
Give me my papa cologne and teeth in
That's
picnic.
between me and your papa. Okay, baby. You're alright. I want me there, mommy. Come. I want to make you push me down. Me push you down? And that dirty brood liquid with
I have
stone.
picnic, dirty brood, your teeth in picnic.
Alright, baby.
Over
Now listen to them. Now listen to them. Allow me picnic and give her ear. Come, baby.
Damn teeth in.
Come, baby.
Mommy, why you lick
Come,
me, mommy?
baby. Come.
Reach out just
Me have to take your husband.
Let me not get my father cologne by end of the day and see.
Make me think serious to me picnic.
Little girl,
Yes.
come here. Me sorry about the cologne, but look here, you see this? You could have analyzed the people and pick the woman gone about her business, but me never want to talk to you in front of her, make you hear, but make she hear if you go cause no more problem. Because you hear her out loud, and she going like a somebody a squeeze her neck. But our daughter, you must expect that she going to make nice. Look on the big heavy stone you use and lick a girl in her head. Listen, me sorry the day if you take the cologne from you and give it to her. Because I did believe her, the girl all cry. Who wouldn't believe? Me think of fear it the same way she take with my daughter money and my daughter juice and me disbelieve my daughter. You have to understand. But next time when there's something that occur, you don't do something like this because you can get locked up. Suppose the woman report it. Suppose her daughter never wake up back. Even though her daughter look like she not even have no sense. And she play foolishness she chat about, mommy, why you push me down
She
your
have
stuff?
sense, she has to play fool for catch one.
No, look on this a big old stone. You really have the heart to take up this and lick somebody. Girl, not do it again. A wickedness this. Don't do that, man. Not do that. Go on home, me I go make sure you get back your cologne.
Alright.
And take care of yourself. I'm sorry about everything. So you and my daughter, they talk the truth. That little girl, they walk on thief, man. Jesus Christ. Me can't believe. So me give my daughter the chain to go give Patsy. And she take you away. So thief and thief, God laugh. Well, God now bother laugh today. God serious cause I'm your owner. I feel me eat and me take it back from you. So me make you get back your cologne. Alright, later. Just